Hello, I'm Emmanuel, and this is Kitchen Ordinaire. I love playing around in the kitchen, having a good time while putting together simple but delicious meals that don't break the bank. So let's cook dinner together and have some fun! Ooh, visual effects! Hello, everybody! We don't need a smoker, we don't need to be outside grilling, we got ribs, and we're gonna do them in the oven, that's right. All you need is salt, pepper, barbecue sauce, and apple cider vinegar. Again with the special cool image effects, wow, nice. Okay, when the ribs come out of when you take them out of the package, I like to give them a little rinse and then pat them dry. Paper towels. Man, what would we do without them? Okay, so now I'm checking. A lot of the time on the bone side you find a membrane. This one, they took it away already. Or we would pull it out. But good job, butchers of Trader Joe's. Less work for me. Okay, I'm gonna need this much, about this much aluminum foil. Basically, I want to be able to go over the rack twice. I'm going to put about a couple tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. I'm going to paint my base and I'm going to put the ribs on. This is the bone side first, and I'm going to salt and pepper the meat side. Here we go, salt and pepper. We're first going to bake this with the meat side down, so now I'm going to just dab it a little bit with the apple cider vinegar, then we're going to flip it, and it's going to be in the oven. It's going to cook the longest with the meat side down. So yes, do a little edge there so everything doesn't fall off. And I'm going to do the same here, a little bit of salt and pepper and another about tablespoon of the apple cider vinegar. Paint that all over. It's always fun to work with a brush and food, I think. Like the Van Gogh of barbecue ribs. Alright, so fold this over. What I like to do is I make one crease and then fold that, then bring it back up, and you don't need to do a lot of complicated folds. Just as long as it's tight, you're good to go. And now it goes in the oven. And guess what? That's it, pretty much. I mean, that's the hardest part. I think now I'm supposed to go and drink a beer or something. So in the oven it goes, 2.5 hours. Let's check it out. I'm ready. Okay. It's starting to smell nice and deliciously porky in here. Look at that. So I'm gonna give this a little bit of a test with the tip of a knife. I don't want these to be quite done yet because we're going to manipulate them and turn them around and put sauce on them. So if they were too done, they would break off and that would not be good. So I'm using paper towels again, making little handles so I can move the rack around because it's hot right now. Alright, another sheet of aluminum foil. On top they go. And we're going to be ready to apply the sauce. First a little bit of another tablespoon about of apple cider vinegar for moisture. And then pick the barbecue sauce you like. I've got Stubbs! It's the Chipotle, smoky Chipotle. He looks nice, that Mr. Stubbs. I think that's his face on there. He's got a nice smile, he's got a great hat. I need to get me a hat like that. Smoky. Nice. Alright. I'm putting about a quarter cup on each side. Alright, I'll measure. For the other side, I'll measure so we can know for sure. But that seems about right. Cover it nice. Flip it. See? I'm measuring it. Alright, this time we're sure. That's right. It's a quarter cup. I knew it. On top it goes. Another nice little paint job. And the ribs are going to go uncovered in the oven. So they're going to continue cooking and then they're going to have this nice crust. We're going to do 30 minutes. Same temperature, 275 degrees. Maybe have another beer or check out some Netflix. I don't know. Ooh, look at that. So now I'm going to do just a tablespoon on top. And don't forget your green vegetables. So I've got some broccoli tossed with olive oil, salt and pepper, and in it goes for 20 minutes. So this looks nice. Ooh, the broccoli is really bright. I'm going to let this rest for 3 minutes and I'm going to check the temperature. You're looking for 145, 150 degrees. And meanwhile, the broccoli is back in the oven and it continues cooking. Yes. I'm using a serrated edge knife. And this is, you can tell. It's very soft. Ooh, look at that. The crust, when you cut it, it just cracks a little bit. Here we go, ribs. Ribs! This is so good. Just in time for the playoffs. Next week I'll be doing more Super Bowl food, so check it out. Hit like, subscribe. See you next time.